Hi everyone, it's Sandra from Midwest Charm. I am coming to you today with a yard sale haul. It is community yard sale in the town I live in this weekend. And for me recording this is Friday. We picked up a few things Wednesday, a few things yesterday, a few things today. And we're not going out tomorrow morning. Typically we would, but my brother's coming into town with his boys and we haven't seen him since before my car accident. So I'm really super duper excited. So let me jump into the haul quick. I don't have prices on everything because some of the places took the stickers off. So I'll just have to guess on some of these items. But let me just get started right away. I got a wood grapevine wreath. I have some old windows and I want to hang that on them and then seasonally maybe do a bowl or something. I think I paid $2 for that. It's huge. I paid 50 cents for this very cool frame. It's got like a metallic finish on it. It's not old, but I can do a lot with this. So I love frames. I also got, let's see if I can grab it, an old vintage mirror. It's got beveled glass. We got this Wednesday when I was out with my husband. And I hadn't planned on getting it. In fact, I walked away and then we went back and got it. I paid $10 for it. It is heavy, very, very heavy. It's got an old board on the back, old wire hanger on it. I love everything about it. The beveled mirror just makes it all the more amazing. Okay. Now that that's safe and secure. I'm going to move this chair over because it's got more stuff. So I got, I'm not going to pick it up and hold it, but it's a chenille throw. It's a pale gray or maybe even a pale blue. I've been wanting a chenille throw for forever. I believe it's queen size from, I believe. I got this out of a free basket. This is just for paper towels. I have always wanted to do a paper towel holder that was wooden and redo it, and I never have because I'm like, I don't want to spend $3 at a thrift store for it, and that was in someone's free box, so yay. I got an old drawer caddy. It may have even been a drawer or an insert to a drawer. I paid $1 for it. I am planning on painting the frame part of this with chippy paint and using it up on a wall, so there's that. I got some little, they're not really beads, but I'm gonna use these for feet. It was 10 pieces for $2 at a yard sale. I got two, these are for our personal use, 2 Corelware big serving dishes for $1 a piece. I got this cast iron lily pad and frog, it needs tightened. I paid $0.25. Usually on these, I'm going to take a wire brush to it, clean all the rust up. I'm going to use some Rust-Oleum and spray paint it black, and then I'll probably use a chalk paint and go over the top of that black, and then distress back to the black and resell it. And that'll seal in, the Rust-Oleum will seal in all of that rust on there. All right, it's not in a good spot, so let me move that. I got this on Wednesday. It was 50 cents, and yes, it's Pyrex, and yes, it's super duper washed out, but I got it for the lid because these lids are not easy to come by, and I was super excited to get that for 50 cents. The lady said she had been using it for her butter dish, so I'm very happy with that. Solid wood, the handles don't move on this. Old rolling pin, and I got this for $0.25. I got this for $1.50 a pestle. I got another crock. I love crocks. I love the blue stripes on this crock so much. This will probably be for me. I may end up sticking a plant thing in. I don't know. I love crocks though, so you $5 on this, and it'll probably stay in my personal stash. An Enamelware pot. It's dirty. It's gross, but it's got some nice rust and crust and things going on. I'm not sure why there's a screw in there. If anyone knows, feel free to let me know why, but I got this not for use obviously, but for decor. Just gonna move all this out of the way. Next, I'm gonna go through this really quick. This came down the road today. A vintage champion zip up sweatshirt, and just a shirt I got for one of the girls. My score of the day, I paid $10 for this. It's in pristine condition. And this is why I said I always buy the lids. I got a complete set minus one lid for the little one, and it was $10 for the entire set. There is no scratches, no nothing on these. Every one of them's in beautiful condition. And those will be here with me too. Those are not going anywhere. A little bag of ceramic knobs with screws for $2. And some little pegs. Sometimes when you get a piece and the screws are sunken in, the little pegs to cover those are missing. So I grabbed these. These were $1. Very useful. I grabbed 2 little metal scoops. I've wanted to grab these for a while now, something along these lines, for other things I've done. And I grabbed both of those. They were $1 a piece. I don't know if I overpaid for them or not, but I'm okay with that. I got 4 Fiestaware mugs. Nothing special about these ones. They're not old or anything like that, but these are, I got 4 of them for $5. These are going to go in my personal stash, which, by the way, we were going through our garage and organizing, cleaning it, and we found my missing box of Fiestaware. So I'm really thrilled that I get to go.
And we found my stuffed animals.
Yeah, and we found Charlotte's stuffed animals.
But they need washed.
So let's see. From the flea market on Wednesday, I found another Fiestaware mug. Can barely make out the imprint on it, but it's there. I paid $1 for it. I got these cute little candle holders, 75 cents for the pair. And a melon baller, very mid-century modern on that wood. I paid, I think, $1/4 for that. And $1/4 for the hobnail vase. I can't see what it says, but this is actually going to go right over here anyways. All right, and then at another yard sale, I think I paid 50 cents for this. I have a similar one I just did. I think I just painted this. I don't even know if it was white. It might have been a teal color. And then put a transfer on that. But that's to be redone. I got a Fiestaware plate. And this one was $2. This yard sale that I got this at was so much fun. I really enjoyed it. I also got this basin for $3, Enamelware, and that was at the same one that I got the plate at, and the mirror, and then the other Enamelware. Move that out of the way. Almost done, guys, I promise. Shelf brackets, cast iron with birds and flowers, and they're beautiful. They're heavy and amazing. I am not calling dibs on them yet, but there is that chance. I grabbed a candle from the last sale we went to today. It's Mary and Martha brand. I've never heard of it, but it's a really cute jar. It smells really good. It is lavender vanilla, and I paid $5 for that, which is about what I'd pay $6 or so if I bought them from Bath and Body Works. So, okay, my weird find of the week, a fish. He is ceramic. He sits like this. He was 50 cents. I don't know if I'm going to paint him or leave him. But the last time I did a fish and put it in the store, it sold right away. I got this cute little apple basket. I'm going to actually color block this and paint the bottom part of it. Or maybe just paint here and here in the handle. I haven't decided yet. I got that for $2. It was brand new. A plant pot for 75 cents. Nothing special or great about that, but a great deal. I got, I don't know what kind of material this is, maybe resin. I don't know, it's awfully light if it's resin. This will just get a coat. It's already got black underneath, so I'll just get this cleaned up and then probably paint it like apothecary or something and distress that back. And I think last but not least is this cute little mirror. This has got a little knob on it. It's already chippy. I will probably, however, go over it with a different color. Nothing wrong with this color, but I'm into just different colors than that. This is, I think, a Hobby Lobby piece. Yeah. But I got this for $1. So I think that is everything that we got minus a few things. Like Katie got some rain boots.
And I got some rain boots too.
And yeah, I don't remember what else, but anything else has already been confiscated. Some clothes for the kids. It's already been taken up to their room. So thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share, and we'll see you next time. Bye. Hi guys, I was editing my video and I realized I left something out, and it was in my mudroom, which is why it didn't make it into the rest of the video. So I'm gonna turn this and show you this adorable little table. I've never seen anything like this. I thought it was just a table or a plant stand, but let me show you what it does, and you guys tell me what you think this is. So here it is, right? And it's got like staggered steps going up. And I went to go put it in my car. I don't know what it's about. And it's got another thing. I don't know. And it doesn't go all the way flat. It just stays like that. Is it a step stool? Is it a table? I don't know, but it's cute. Let me show you the top. It's got super great chippy paint. There's some greens in there. I love it. I absolutely love it. I'll probably just brush off all the loose chips and then seal this up. I assume Katie's going to try grabbing it from me. I don't know, but I love it. It's cute, and it was $5, so you can't go wrong. $5 for a plant stand or table, whatever you're going to use it for. It's super cute. So forgot to put that in there, and I think that's it, unless I didn't show you guys this beauty. So that beauty, I had to drive a little bit for it, about 40 minutes away. It was $30. I was so excited. I absolutely love this thing. I'm gonna see if I can get a little closer. It's got great legs. It's absolutely stunning. It is in such beautiful condition. And 40 minutes away, we drive home. The boys get it out of the car. They get it up to the porch. They get it into my mudroom. And the glass broke. So the glass is kind of built in. If I were to pull these out to redo it, I'd just end up breaking the wood on the door. So I don't know. I'm going to have to repurpose it and rethink. But this was, I think I found last, it was after work. So I don't remember what day we went up and got it. But I love, 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 love it. I am thrilled with how it turned out. I think we went and got it last Friday. But it's beautiful. If you guys have any ideas for it, make sure to comment below. Otherwise, thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.